Hey guys, how's it going? It's Bruce Milligan from Cell Pro Repair Solutions in Nanaimo. What I want to do is I've noticed that my customers are having some problems removing the backs on their LG Stylo 3 Pluses, and I just kind of wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how to do it, as it's quite simple. Anyways, here we go. Alright, so what you can use is either some sort of sharp object, an X-Acto knife or some sort of other type of knife, or even a guitar pick for that matter. And what you want to do is, well, you know what, my nails are kind of long, so I can even get in there with a nail and kind of get it on the edge and just kind of pop it out like that. It's pretty straightforward. You have the battery in there, pop the battery off, and away you go. Anyways, to put it back on, you just snap this guy back in, and there you have it. Alrighty.